If you're experiencing high ping while playing Elden Ring, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections typically provide more stability and lower latency compared to wireless connections, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or file sharing applications can consume your internet resources and increase ping. Step 4. Change server region. In Elden Ring, check if you can change the server region in the game settings. Connecting to a server closer to your geographical location can help lower your ping and improve your gaming experience. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. You can try changing your DNS settings to faster public DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Additionally, ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking the game or causing latency issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for further assistance.